Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel, Trading Secrets. This channel is for entertainment purposes only. For those of you who do not know, my name is Ali. I have over 20 years experience teaching accounting, economics, business and law. And through this channel I'll be providing some stock analysis and a quick update on the $1 Million Challenge. So if anybody's not aware of this is a journey of an investment of $1,000 to a return of $1 million over a period of 3 years using a strategy called compound return investing. So the objective is to try to get 201 trades, each with an average return of 3.5%. It's not 201 consecutive trades, and we do take into account losses. So for further details about how to join us in this challenge for as little as $9 a month, and also information about exclusive in-depth strategy, information is available in the description below. In the previous video, did an important update on ticker symbol BBIG and also a very important update on RDBX Redbox. In today's video, we're going to do a follow-up on ticker symbol RDBX, as there has been some positive developments. We're also going to be looking at earnings for Nvidia, as well as sharing a new bio stock which is up in excess of 69% over the previous 5 days. That was also called in the watch list, so stay tuned for that. But let's first of all have a look at what's happening in the market. So we can see here Wednesday the 25th of May, as reported here in Yahoo Finance, there has been a choppy end to the market. So basically, obviously there's still a lot of nervousness at the close of play on the Wednesday. Investors are basically worried about the earnings, and as well as that, worried about the impact of inflation. So the Fed has communicated that they do expect to see more increase in prices. So there's also a possibility of further interest rate increases yet to come. Let's now have a look at the earnings for Nvidia, and these are for the period ending first quarter ending May the 1st, 2022. So the key headline we can see here is record quarterly revenue of $8.29 billion, and this is up a very significant 46% from the previous year. So we also have record quarterly revenue for the data center and gaming. So let's delve a little bit deeper into some of the other figures here for the income statement. So at the bottom here we can see in terms of revenue, that's up in excess of 46% year on year. The gross margin is up 140. However, what is negative here is the operating expenses. So the operating expenses are up 76% quarter on quarter, but they're also up in excess of 113% year on year. So this is significant because when the operating expenses are going up, then that's going to have the impact of operating income going down. So we can see here that operating income is down 37% quarter on quarter, and it's down 4% year on year. So the company is profitable, and its profit has gone down now by 37% quarter on quarter. So we're looking at just in excess of $1.9 billion here. Let's now have a look at ticker symbol RDBX, Redbox Entertainment Incorporated. So in the previous video, we also did an important update on this stock. So let's have a look at the chart right now at time of editing. Close of play today, we can see positive news here. The stock was up in excess of 28.71%, closing at $6.77. So those of you who've been following the channel will know that this was trading below $3 just a few days ago. And again, this was something that was called in the Discord prior to trading on Monday. So congratulations to everybody who managed to get in on Redbox. So I'm going to share with you now a copy of the weekly watch list, which was shared on the 25th of the 5th, and you'll be able to see here that we highlighted Redbox having great momentum in the last week and looking like a bull flag on the chart. Obviously a high risk stock, so trade with care. So many of the investors did take profits in this, but let's now have a look at the latest information for Redbox from Fintel. Let's start by having a look at the latest report for institutional investors. This is always a good sign and a good indicator of confidence in the stock. So if we have a look at the latest information here from the 16th of May all the way to current period 25th of May, we can see there is a vast majority of green. And right now on the 25th of May, there has been 2 additional increases in institutional investors. Here, the first one is ultra small company market fund class. They have acquired an additional 70,000 shares, and we also have an increase also in holdings from USMIX, and prior to that we've also got institutional increases from State Street Group. We have the Royal Bank of Canada, We have UBS Group, Goldman Sachs as well. So quite some notable, important institutional investors taking investments and increasing their holdings in Redbox. So I'm going to have a look at the short squeeze score here. So there is no reported short squeeze score, but what we can see here has been added onto the gamma squeeze score. So obviously the gamma squeeze score is a result of something which Fintel is using from a multi-factor quantitative model, and it's identifying companies here that have the highest risk of experiencing a gamma squeeze. So the numbers here Fintel are identifying are from 0 to 100, with the high numbers indicating a higher risk of a short squeeze relative to its peers. So again, this is quite significant. The score is 96.56 and it's rated at number 9 out of 314 stocks. So, but I think what's also very, very interesting here for Redbox is the short borrow fee. So if you have a look at the screen here, right at the bottom, just prior to the 27th of April 2022, it was still quite high, 92.72%, and then it's increased quite significantly, 162%. And if you have a look here on the right hand side, it is going up very, very significantly. So the latest cost to borrow for the shorts on the 20th of May 2022, which is the latest available data from Fintel, is a staggering 719.29%. Again, latest information from Fintel is showing that there are no shares available as of 22nd of May 2022. So that's the latest available data from Fintel. So very, very few shares available right now. They are certainly expensive for the shorts, but the other thing to remind everybody in terms of Redbox, again, this is a volatile stock. Over the previous 5 days, this is up in excess of 90%. So certainly extremely volatile, and if you do invest in this, a great idea to take profits as you take good greens. And finally, I'm going to share another stock with you here from our weekly watch list. So you'll see here we also identified another stock here, which was IMX. This is a biopharmaceutical stock, and these stocks are also extremely high risk, but again, these are usually great for swing trades, and we do recommend taking profit. But there was some positive news here, and this was shared with the Discord members prior to trading on this Monday. So you'll be able to see here they had positive news from the leading drug candidate IMX 110 and the first treatment cycle. So again, a reminder there to the Discord members to treat this as a high risk stock. As it is a bio stock, they do generally go up and come back down quite significantly. But let's have a look at the chart. So on the screen here, you'll be able to see over the previous 5 days, this stock is up in excess of 69%, and also right now at time of editing today, it's up in excess of 12%. So again, it's having a tremendous week. So congratulations to everybody got in ticker symbol IMMX, and you'll be able to see just a few days ago this was trading just above the $1.40 mark. Right now it's at $2.64. And finally, if you would like to get access to our weekly watch list, which is shared exclusively with the Discord members on a Sunday prior to trading on a Monday, you can join the Discord for as little as $9 a month. This will also give you access to the $1 Million Challenge as well. So details are available in the description below. Thank you very much for watching. Please stay tuned.